concept is a train crosses a person inside another train. Okay, so this is the person sitting inside a train. Okay, this is the train 1. The length 1 is the and the speed. This is of train 1. Okay, here another train has to cross the person sitting in this train. Okay, here train length is L2 and the speed is S2. In this scenario, the distance is L2 only. Okay, why? Because we are considering with respect to the person who is sitting inside the train. Okay, not the train completely. Okay, the person is sitting inside the train has to pass the person. Okay, they're not asking us to find out the time taken to train to completely cross this train. Okay, they're only asking us to find out the time taken to cross by this train to cross this person inside the other train. Okay, so a distance is the length of the second train. Okay, distance is always length of the train 2, length of the train 2. Okay, for only this concept you have to be careful and remember this. The distance will be always equal to the train 2 length. Okay, so here we can see that two trains are moving in the same direction. Okay, which is 40 kilometers per hour. This one is 55 kilometers per hour. Okay. A man is sitting in the slower train. So slow train is this. Man is sitting in this train. Okay. So this train, the faster train will cross this man in 30 seconds. Time is 30 seconds. Okay. Since this direction is same, speed will be S1 minus S2, that is 55 minus 40. It is 15 kilometers per hour. Okay. Now we need to find the length of this faster train. So before in the concept I have told you that should here the distance will be equal to the length of this train. Okay, faster train here. In the other case we have taken is L2. Okay, we know that distance is equals to speed into time. What is speed here? Speed is 15. It is in kilometers per hour. We need to convert into meters per second. So 5 by 18. The time taken is 30 seconds. Okay. So when we solve this, we get around 125 meters, which is equals to the length of faster train. Okay, faster train. The same kind of question, but here it is a different scenario. Two trains are moving in opposite directions. Okay, at a speed of 50 and 70 kilometers per hour. The slow train crosses a man sitting in the faster train. Okay, in 15 seconds. So since the direction is opposite, speed is S1 plus S2. What is the speed of the train? 150 and 70 is 120 kilometers per hour. So the slower train passes a man in 15 seconds. So distance of the slower train. Distance is distance D. You need to find out the distance here. Okay. Speed into time. Speed is 120 kilometers per hour, so meters per second. And what is the time? It's 15 seconds. So upon solving this, we get the length of the slower train as 120 So upon solving this, we get the length of the slow train as 500 meters.